In this video, I am going to teach you how to add custom fonts in card. So in order to add a custom font in your card, what you can do is you first need to head over to their website, which is card.co. Into this part, you can have two options. You can either choose a starting point or open a dashboard from there. So if you choose the first one, you should be able to design a site and sign up only when you want to publish it. Alternatively, you can also open a dashboard if you already have a site that you have created. In my case, I already have an account, so I'll head over and click onto this open dashboard. Once you have clicked on it, it should be able to show you in here this part. So I have in here this site and I want to add a custom font for that. Click onto this edit icon that I have, and in here this will open the canvas. I have in here this text. So I want to edit this font, so head over right here to the design or appearance option. We have in here the font already, which is Bodoni Moda. Just expand it right here. And you can head over to the very above option or to the very bottom option. And you should be able to see in here the upload font option as well. Into this part, you can head over and click onto this publish option in order to publish it. And then from in there, you can scroll down from in here. You can also find in here the settings option. And for this settings option, you can see some more options like browser color, options, and the likes. What we can do is under the options, we should be able to see in here this serve fonts locally. So it allows it if you have this enabled. Into this part, you can just upload the TTF or OTF that you would want. And after that, head over and click on this publish changes from there. And it should be able to add those custom fonts into your actual card.co website. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.